Yesterday we worked on what? Volume. And we did it with cubes. Right? And what did we learn from volume? What is volume first? What is volume first? Joey?
Base times width divided by height.
No, that's not what we learned yet. What? I want to know what is volume. I don't want formula. What's volume? Yeah. Hold on.
Inside of a shape.
Yeah, the inside of a shape. Do you want to expand on that a little bit, anybody?
The inside of a three-dimensional shape?
Ah, the inside of a three-dimensional shape. I'll get you one. How much space is inside a three-dimensional shape of equal units, of equal size units? And as we built our shapes, we may have come up with something like this, right? And it's okay for small things, but what happens if we have 30,675 feet by 2.5 miles by 27 million yards? You can't build that. And those are 3 different dimensions, and we're going to have to do a lot of converting. But that leads us then, what did we find out on how to find volume? How can we easily find volume now? Based on the cubes, yes? Say it again. Base times height times width, which is this. We're going to learn how we apply the volumes. Length times width times height. And this other one you don't see often, but you'll see more of. It's a capital B. And remember, I told you a capital exponent, or not, variable is going to mean something different. And in this case, a capital B means length times width. So we find the area of one level and then simply multiply it by the height. All right? Why did you put squared down? Did you carry it up from here?
It's a three-dimensional.
No. Leave that. This is good. Okay. Let me have this. All right. Show me your boards. You don't have a label? Need to look at the units up on the board. Look at the units up on the board. Okay. 882 feet cubed, boards down. All right, Zach, can I pick on you for a second?
I don't care.
Yeah, I can because of what you said earlier. All right, Zach had up here initially units squared on his final answer. Why, if you look at his work, why would he put units squared up there? Oh, but I do, and we're going to try and get to it. Yes?
I think he's so used to it.
Used to it. Why else? What did we find first? What?
The area.
And how do we label area? Squared, which is what he did here. And then he went up to volume. We added that third dimension, but he just carried that squared up there until his table got all over him and said, no. At your tables, discuss how to find the volume of this triangular prism. Discuss at your tables what you might have to do. Oh yeah, it's a box. Discuss. Triangular Toblerones.
You can also put a big gummy worm.
All right, discuss. How are you going to find the area of this? Or volume. How are we going to find the volume of this? Because I had some interesting answers. Evan.
Base times height divided by 2.
Base times height divided by 2. Okay, hold that. Base times height divided by 2. Okay, what else do I have?
Base times width times height divided by 2. No. Yeah, it wasn't base times height.
I will just do it. Divided by 2. Any other ideas? Any other ideas?
I got it.
What do you think? Yes?
Base times width times height divided by 3. I got it. I got it kind of similar.
Which is basically this. Okay. But what do you think?
It's length times width times height divided by 2.
Okay, which is, okay. Length times width, we'll go with this. This is also length times width times height divided by 2. Discuss your tables. One of those is right. Which one?
Base times height divided by 2.
Well, it can't be base times
What do you guys think? How'd you come up with that? I'm curious.
Because I thought it was, since it was 3 dimensions, that, you know how when we were doing area it was 2 dimensions, and since we're doing 3 dimensions, I thought it would be 2.
We did
I
too
like that.
because
Okay.
it's 1/2.
What do you guys think? Divided by 3? Okay. All right, bring it in. Bring it in. 1 for base or length times width times height divided by 3. 2 for base times height divided by 2. Or 3, length times width times height divided by 3. Show me your answers. 1, 2, or 3. Hands down, hands up if you have no idea. Okay, good. We have some people. What shape can I make if I had 2 of these? What shape could I make if I had 2 of these? Yes?
Oh wait.
No, probably not.
Wait. Oh.
Trapezoid.
I know.
Well, hold on. Zach.
A rhombus.
Yeah, I could make a rhombus. All right. What else can I make? Yes. Diamond. Yes. A parallelogram. Or in this case, it would be a rectangular prism. How do I find volume of a rectangular prism?
Base times width times height.
Base times width times height. And so I have this. And how much of a full rectangular prism is this? Half. How do I find area of triangle? What is the formula for area of a triangle? Base times height divided by 2. This is going to be base times width times height divided by 2.
Risky.
Yes. So
What is the width of a single prism? Its length 13. The volume. Do I have to multiply this?
well, I don't know. Let's draw a picture of it. Maybe that'll help us. Draw what you know. Oh, okay. Mrs. Santiago, can you help her out, please? Okay, so what do we know?
That the length is 13 feet.
Okay, put that somewhere. Whichever one. What else do we know?
That the height is 36 feet.
Okay, we know it doesn't matter to scale. All right, and what else do we know?
That the volume of 11,232 cubic feet.
Okay, so write your volume down. So, how do I find volume?
Length times height times width.
Are we missing anything?
The width.
Okay, how are we going to find that? Talk to me first.
We can do 36 times 13 divided by that.
36 times 13, then to take that answer and divide it into here. Is that what you're saying? There you go. See what you come up with. Raise your hand when you're done. I see that.